Well, a good Wednesday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks. And I hope everybody's having a good Wednesday and I hope everybody's having a good week. But over here in East Central Mississippi, hot, and it's been raining. And I mean, it's finna come a flood again. So before we get started on today's video, and before the rain comes, I'd like to say that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over her, I sure enough thank you for coming back. What I want to share with you and y'all today is we're going to take a look at the garden, the summer garden that I got going on over here at the home in the sticks. Give me a second, that's what we finna do's. I want to show you these Persian cucumbers, and I'm here to tell you they are growing like wildfire. Look at there. Got some nice looking cucumbers growing on here. It's pretty soon it's gonna be time to harvest these. I may just eat these. I don't know. I may even just ferment these. I don't know. But them jokers are sure enough getting that grow on. They're about 7 foot up so far. But they're growing real nicely. I've been having to water this grow bag dang near every day. It's been so hot over here. Hopefully I won't have to do it today because of the rain. There's a shot of the striped cucumbers on the trellis system. The shady cucumbers, they're growing pretty good. Got a few nice sized cucumbers on there. Got some odd shaped ones, but that's okay. Them jokers will eat. But those are growing really well too. Oh, I feel some rain. Looks like I may have to trellis that way as well. So before it just comes a show enough downpour, this may be a short video. Let me go and show you what's going on in the raised beds. Oh, got a whole bunch of dill growing too. And my horseradish is still growing real good. Got a rose of Sharon in the pot. I need to do something with it. Of course, all my comfrey and asparagus are growing real good. And I got a whole bunch of, well, I said we was gonna walk over them 16-foot raised beds, but let me show you these peppers. They are just growing real nice. Ooh, that's thunder. Got a bunch of cayennes. Got a bunch of cherry peters starting to make. These are the dragon cayennes. These are growing really nice. I'm waiting for these guys to ripen up because it's going to be hot sauce time for them. Let's see, these are the Aztec rainbow chilies. And again, these are the cherry peters. These are coming on real nice, and I'm happy to see that. These are going to be some fine eating peppers right here. I'm here to tell you. Everything else, berry-wise, is looking good. Look at my pool. Green as all get out. With all the rain we've been getting, I just can't get this thing to clear up. I've been dumping chemicals in this thing like every weekend. Get on over here and look at this. All right, here's a 16-foot raised bed. It's got grassy once again with all the rain we've been getting. But that is weird. Look at that. That looks like a melon of some sort. I don't even know where that came from. And these are the Blue Lake pole. And them guys are starting to latch on to the trellis. So we're gonna be into some pole beans here pretty soon. Yes, indeed. But look at there, booyah. Got some corn going on and a whole bunch of weeds. That's okay. I think I'm gonna leave this corn just like they are. They are up maybe about a foot. So pretty soon I'm gonna be cutting the side furrow and putting out my blood meal. Gosh, I gotta weed this bed again. But again, rain stops everything. But look at them cantaloupes. They are growing right nicely. And hopefully, I'm gonna get these guys to start rolling this way. Gonna cover up all of the soil, keep some moisture in the soil, and the weeds down. That's looking good. May have some time to get over here and show you 1 or 2 of these peas for this. I feel some rain falling. It's starting to drop. Let's see. Check it out. Woo-wee. Gonna shut this baby down. See if we can't get in here right quick before the rain starts falling. So look at there. Got a bunch of peas starting to make. I'm here to tell you, I'm glad to see that. Look there. That is going to be some sure enough fine eating. Some nice top pick pink eye purple hull peas. And these rows are loaded with them. I actually got out here Sunday, and I actually sprayed a chemical to try to keep down the grass because the grass just took over everything. The rows are still looking good, but the grass is just growing up in the peas, something fierce. But it's good to see all of these peas, and that's looking real good. And these, well, I'm here to tell you, these guys are loaded with peas. Look at that. So maybe another 4 or 5 days, maybe a week, I'm gonna be out here picking peas, and I can't wait. Look at there. Joe's just loaded with peas. Oh, look at there. These are almost ready right here. Ooh-wee. And I feel the rain coming, so we got to seek some cover. Well, there you have it. That's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today. Lord of mercy, got a bunch of stuff growing on over here. The weather has not been cooperating as usual. We're gonna get a little bit of rain. That's okay. My peas could stand for some rain. Thing about it is, how much rain are we gonna get? It'll rain for 5 or 10 minutes, and then it'll just get hot. But that's okay. Maybe we're looking at a bunch of rain this weekend, so we'll see. But other than that, that's what I got going on over here. A bunch of stuff growing. So again, I hope everybody's having a show enough good Wednesday, and I hope everybody stays safe this week amid this crisis that we still have going on. If you like this video, go and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Homie Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here and give old Dan a look. I'm always doing stuff. I'm trying to do stuff. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Referee, sure enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody do your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. Be you. Get your grow on. It's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.